In today's video, I'll be sharing a Glitching AI promo code which is going to save you 50% off your order. Now, in order to get this 50% discount, you must first go to the link at the top of the video description or in the comment section. And when you click on that link, you'll actually get taken to this page. Now, make sure you do this first because if you don't, the discount might not work. However, once you have done that and you've signed into your account, you can click Launch App up here. And we can then just click on one of these features so that we can get taken to this page where we can actually buy glitching. So you can choose between a monthly or a yearly plan. And from there, you can click Start Your Plan. Next, you want to go to the left-hand side and you want to look for this button that says Add Promo Code. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that. And what we're going to type in here is 50 off, and then we're going to click Apply. As you can see, the promo code is valid. And over here, it actually saves us £8.33 on our order. So as I mentioned earlier, make sure you first click that link in the video description. And then you can sign into your account and you can claim this 50% off discount. So I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.